Story of the Lion and the Hare. In a jungle, there lived a lion and a hare. The lion was strong and powerful, while the hare was small and the fastest runner. The lion often boasted about his strength and displayed his power to the other animals. Over time, the hare started to resent the lion's attitude, feeling that the lion didn't value friendship as much as his own strength. One day, a fierce storm struck the jungle, causing widespread destruction. The storm blocked paths, posed dangers to the animals, and created chaos. The lion continued to rely solely on his strength, attempting to face the storm head-on. The hare realized that it was time to step in and offer help. The hare proposed a plan to the lion, suggesting that they work together to overcome the storm. Initially reluctant, the lion eventually agreed. Together, they hatched a plan to tackle the storm with unity and determination. Their combined efforts and smart thinking began to weaken the storm's fury. The jungle started to regain its calm as paths were cleared, and the animals found safety. Through their collaboration and facing challenges together, the lion and the hare formed a strong bond of friendship. Time passed, the bond between the lion and the hare grew stronger. They spent more time together sharing stories and laughter. The other animals in the jungle were amazed to see the lion and the hare as friends, as they had always been perceived as opposites. The duo's friendship became an example for the entire jungle, teaching everyone that differences could be bridged through understanding and teamwork. One day, a new challenge emerged. A group of fierce hunters entered the jungle, armed with nets and traps. The animals were terrified, not knowing how to defend themselves against the hunters' tactics. The lion and the hare decided to take action once again, this time using their friendship and clever strategies. Hare, being swift and small, would scout the hunters' locations and movements, while the lion, with his strength, would devise a plan to outwit them. They worked tirelessly day and night, coming up with a series of traps and distractions to confuse the hunters. The plan worked brilliantly. The hunters were left baffled by the animals' sudden coordination and creativity. They couldn't understand how such diverse creatures could work together so seamlessly. Ultimately, the hunters were forced to leave the jungle, defeated and frustrated. The jungle erupted in cheers as the animals celebrated their victory. The lion and the hare were hailed as heroes, not just for their individual abilities, but for their unity and friendship that had saved the jungle from danger. The lion realized that his strength alone was nothing compared to the strength of friendship and cooperation. He acknowledged that the hare's quick thinking and strategic mind were invaluable assets that complemented his own power. The lion and the hare's story spread far and wide, inspiring other animals to embrace differences and come together for the greater good. The jungle became a place of harmony, where unity prevailed over differences and friendship triumphed over challenges. Moral of the story: unity, friendship, and facing challenges. The story tells us the importance of unity, friendship, and collaboration in the face of challenges. The lion and the hare's friendship not only led to their own personal growth, but also served as an example for others to follow. By working together and valuing each other's strengths, they overcame seemingly insurmountable obstacles and created a harmonious community. The tale reminds us that in times of difficulty, uniting our diverse abilities can lead to remarkable achievements and foster a sense of belonging and unity.